Guess who? Oh, what a pretty day it is. Oh! Good afternoon, everybody. This is Wynonna Woodpecker here. And I bet you noticed my new look. Let's I have to lower it down so I'll let you take a good look. Okay, there you go. Now you can see how I look. You could say it's more like a reboot or redesign outfit. I'll take my backpack off so I can let you look. Oh, my hair is really long. My hair used to be like waist length and wavy, but now I grow it out and straighten my hair. And you can see my skirt is pink instead of red. See, I got a tail. And I still got the Woody Woodpecker lapis. Oh, in the meantime, I'm gonna go meet Snoopy and the kids, the Peanut Kids, Charlie Brown. Isn't that right, Uncle Woody? Oh, it's not the real Woody, but that's a plus person of my uncle, Woody Woodpecker, my uncle. So that way, my plus person of my uncle will keep me company so I don't feel alone without him. While the real Woody is out there working as an actor. Of course, we look like good family together. The family of woodpeckers. Even though I'm a human-headed woodpecker harpy. You know, a bird with head of a human, a harpy, which is who I am. Because my mother's a human and my father's a woodpecker, which makes me a half. And my human head's a lot pretty dominant. But the red hair color is the hair color inheritance from all woodpeckers. And my mother, Wendy Nolan, she has red hair too, like red-headed woodpeckers. Come on, let's go meet Snoopy. Come on. Hi there, your name's Snoopy. My name's Wynonna Woodpecker. Of course, my uncle Woody. He's a woodpecker, but me, I'm a human-headed woodpecker, as in a harpy, the mythical creature. Of course, my favorite hobby is ballet. Great to meet you. I was gonna offer for a hug. Oh. Let's ready for the post now. Thank you so much. And the goodbye hug. Bye, Snoopy. Have a good day. Hi, kids. And you're Pigpen and you're Franklin. Great to meet you, you two. I'm Wynonna Woodpecker. Of course, it's my Uncle Woody. Of course, we're woodpeckers. Let's ready for the post now. Thanks, and now the hug. And Franklin? And the group hug, you two.
Oh, big group hug.
Right. Have a good day, you two. Bye.
Thank you.
Hello, dear Peppermint Patty. I'm Wynonna Woodpecker. Great to meet you. I speak for the birds. Especially I can know how to talk to birds as caw, caw. Of course I speak for the birds. Oh, and not to mention Woodstock. I'll be happy to meet him. I'm so happy to meet you. I think I got it from Luigi. Let's ready for the post now. Thanks. And the goodbye. Oh, I think you want double high five. Oh. Oh. And the goodbye hug. Bye, Peppermint Patty. Have a good day. Okay, I got this burger and fries. Oh, Uncle Woody, you need to see this. Oh, there you go. Sorry about the hands, because when I take off the glove, every time I take off my gloves for eating, my hand's usually more human. That's why I'm half human and half woodpecker. So I feel like my head is not the only one that's human. My human hands are. So whenever I save off the feathers off my hands, they became more humanoid. So the feathers growing out of my human skin, which makes me half woodpecker and half human. Well, I can't repeat that, sorry. Anyway, what I got is cheeseburger with some red sauce mixed with it. Never seen like this before, but the good thing I add vegetables on it instead of just a plain cheeseburger. So I make it a ranch cheese veggie burger. This burgers taste delicious than I thought. I can see why Uncle Woody loves making burgers. Back in a family barbecue party, well, I do. It reminds me of the good old days with Uncle Woody, my dad, and my woodpecker family. Back in an outdoor backyard barbecue backyard party. It was so cozy and delicious. And at nighttime, we camp around the fire, the home fire campfire, where we roast marshmallows and make s'mores together. That's what my family and I do that for good old family times. If I ever go to Uncle Woody's barbecue backyard party, I wish I could share him the secret ingredient of this burger, ranch sauce. I thought this one will give Uncle Woody an idea, so he'll make it for all of us, including my cousins, Knothead and Splinter, my aunt Woody Woodpecker, my father, and of course my friends, my other friends who are coming. And this one I'm drinking is Coca-Cola Zero Sugar. Tastes better. Tastes better than any regular Coca-Cola, which tastes too much acidity. But this one with zero sugar, it tastes better. Now let's see what we can do after my lunch. See you later.
When you're shopping with eyes that pop in, something that you see there. Yes, sirree. Isabel and a moment later, up you go in the elevator. As a polecat, a plug in a tree. I would claim 100K to a thing they call a baseball game. Cigar stores, revolving doors, men wear sideburns and they honor, 'cause Alice, we'd love to.
We're always ready with another number.
All right, folks. For this next musical offering, we're going to need your help.
Sure are.
Yep. And don't you worry, we're not going to put any of you on the spot. There's no solo singing involved. So first, you can relax and stay seated. I saw you trying to hightail it out of here like the sheriff just walked in.
Don't worry, friend. We only chase folks who owe us money. Like that guy.
Here's what's gonna happen. We're gonna start up a bunch of familiar Western tunes.
And as we go along, we'll tell you what to do and you just answer right back.
Think of it as a conversation.
Sounds easy enough, right?
Right.
Yeah!
That's what I like to hear, confidence. Or at least a convincing impression of it.
And now, ladies and gents,
Warm up those voices.
And loosen up those smiles.
as we give you our very own
Calico Saloon Western Sing-Along.
And folks, remember, if you sing off key, just sing louder. Oh, give me a
Home where the buffalo roam, where deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, a skies are not cloudy all day.
everybody sing.
Home, home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day.
All right, everyone, it's your turn.
When we point to you, go ahead and give a great big yeehaw!
Yeehaw!
Go! She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes.
Yeehaw!
She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes.
Yeehaw!
She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes.
Yeehaw!
She'll be driving 6 white horses when she comes.
Yeehaw!
She'll be driving 6 white horses when she comes.
Yeehaw!
She'll be driving 6 white horses. She'll be driving 6 white horses. She'll be driving 6 white horses when she comes.
Yeehaw!
Now the next one is just as easy. When we point to you, go ahead and give it a big loud doo-dah, doo-dah. Take it away, Alice.
For the Cute ladies, sing this song.
Doo-dah, doo-dah.
Cute Tigers, cry, cry, my song.
On the doo-dah day.
I came down there with the high kick in your
Doo-dah, doo-dah.
I'll go back home with my heart losing.
On doo-dah day.
Going to run all night. Going to run all day. I bet my money on the cocktail next. Somebody down the bay.
Terrific. All right, here's the last song. Sing along if you know the words.
And if you don't know the words,
Just clap along.
here we go.
When I'm from Alabama, with a banjo on my knee, I'm going from Louisiana, my true love for to see. It rained all night the day I left, the weather it was dry. The sun so hot it puts me dead, Savannah, don't you cry.
Oh, so sad, don't you cry for me.
When I'm from Alabama, with a banjo on my knee.
Oh, so sad, don't you cry for me.
When I'm from Alabama, with a banjo
On my knee.
Yeehaw!
You know, Alabama's just one part of this great nation.
That's right. From Maine to California,
From lobsters to the gold
from
rush.
the Great Smoky Mountains to the Catskills.
From the Atlantic to the Pacific, we are one great nation with a rich history of music and patriotism. And that makes you and you and you and me so very special. Okay, gang, let's get ready for the big patriotic finale and give these folks what they came for. There must be music in the land, right to the tom-tom-tom. For everybody loves a band, right to the tom-tom-tom. A good old rousing melody is a joy and inspiration. 100 million folks agree that it's extermination. So music master, take command, right to the tom-tom-tom. Our hearts will beat to be the band. To the tom-tom, right to the tom-tom, right to the tom-tom-tom. When the drums roll out, you let the trumpet call. While people shout, strike up band. New cymbals ring, calling one and all to the martial swing. Strike up the band. Yankee do-do-do, do-do, we'll come through. Yankee do-do-do, for the red, white, blue, do-do, lend a hand. Oh, you can't go wrong
Cause people shout hooray, strike up the band. Big simple scream, calling one and all to the martial swing. Strike up the band. Baby, do the loop, we'll come through, do the loop. For the red, white, blue, do the loop, red, right here. And you can't go wrong with a happy song. Hey, leader, strike up the band. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for what? Our Marilyn and Julie Couture. And the Santa Claus showing for Miss Alice Taylor.
Oh, thank you kindly, folks. Well, I guess we've taken up about as much time as we can spare at the moment to entertain these fine patrons. And so the three of us need to hightail it back to our daily chores and responsibilities, or I'll have this cameo cake down here ready to chuck us out on our ear.
We'll be back later on with another set of melodious melodies if you want to come on by.
But until then, eat up, drink up, or just let us go and relax.
Okay, gang, it's back to work.
Wow, that was a good girl show they put on. It'll be nice for me to meet these girls. They're pretty. But I would not call them my pretties. I have to keep it to myself. Oh. Oh, there she is. Perhaps I could say hello to Alice. Hi, Alice.
Hi.
Great to meet you. I'm your fan.
Oh my gosh, that's so exciting. Thank you so much for stopping by the show.
You too. And there's a selfie over here.
Of course. What a lovely little portrait you got there. I've never seen one of those.
Thanks. Oh, it's a selfie.
Oh, wow.
So, which means you don't have to stay still. It's just simple and quick.
Oh, wow. I've never heard of that. You know, it's 1891, so I've never seen technology like this. That's so cool. Well, thank you so much for stopping by.
Anytime, ma'am.
You're such a great audience.
Of course I am, even though I'm a creature. Oh, it's the cat guy girls. Maybe I could go meet her. Oh.
Well, howdy there. Thanks so much for coming to our show.
Oh, you too.
This one's the
Thanks. Well, I'm just waiting for him, so just a moment. Anyway, it's great to see you.
It's great to see you. Hey, we'll see you next time, all right? Come on back. Here.
Okay.
Howdy.
You too. Wait, where's the other one? Oh. There she is. I think I'll have a selfie. Even though the other one doesn't stay still, but at least it's a good video memory. A selfie. Let's wait for her until she's done. And dang, I didn't know their outfits matches us, Uncle Woody. Oh.
You look like your little pet here.
Oh, thanks.
Just like your little pet.
Oh, here she comes. Here she comes. Hello. Hi. That was a good selfie together.
Oh, thank you so much.
Oh, wow.
Another photo?
Wow, they sure getting a lot of fans. And by the way, I like your outfit. That matches us. Okay, now let's see if I can find Bosun Bear and the coyote pups. I bet the coyote pups don't trying to eat me despite I'm a half bird and half human. Ugh, I don't want to turn into a roasted harpy. Like roasted as a roasted chicken. Ugh. Come on, let's go. Oh. That's it.
Oh, Lord.
This is the second verse. Bye-bye.
They sure have a good time. Bye. Bye, ladies.
Bye.
Have a good day. Now let's see if we can meet Bosun Bear and the coyote pups. Come and do. Excuse me. Hello, you're Moxie and Bronny. My name's Wynonna Woodpecker. Great to meet you. And that's my uncle, Woody Woodpecker. I hope you don't eat us because we don't taste that good and we're not chickens or turkeys. We're woodpeckers. So I bet you think that woodpeckers don't taste that good. We're friendly to you. So we come in peace. Bronny and Moxie. We're so happy to meet you. Let's ready for the post now.
Ready, 1, 2, 3. Coyote claws, coyote claws. Nice.
Oh, I don't hear a click.
Oh, you did click. Yeah, you got it.
Okay. Hi. And now the group hug. Thank you so much. Goodbye, you two. And try not to eat any more woodpeckers and birds alike. I speak for the birds after all. Gawk! Gawk! Ah! Ah! See? I even speak to birds. That's because I'm a half bird who can understand what birds are saying. As a half bird and half human. Okay. Goodbye now.
Alright, we promise. Don't eat the pies.
Okay. Okay. Because I thought I heard coyotes eat like road runners.
Oh, not these ones. No, they're just pies. Yeah.
Why? Because there's one called Wild E Coyote that eats a road runner. Wild E Coyote, that's his name. Yeah.
From the,
all right, goodbye you two. And try not to bother that road runner.
See what it comes in.
Hi there. I'm Wynonna Woodpecker and my Uncle Woody Woodpecker. The real Uncle Woody Woodpecker is out there somewhere working, even though he's retired. But he's still a good actor though, and I want to be like him. Of course, I love my family. My Aunt Winnie Woodpecker, my dad, Wilfred, the comedian, and my cousins, Knott and Splinter. And me, well, my father's a woodpecker while my mother's a human. This is how I'm a half woodpecker and half human. A harpy. You know what a harpy? It's a mythical creature that is a bird with head of a human. That's what I am, a harpy. Of course, I got a tail. Oh, that's right, my laugh. I'll never forget that Woody Woodpecker that my uncle always taught me that. Anyway, I'm so happy to meet you. Let's ready for the post now. Thank you. And the hug. And sit. And the goodbye hug. Goodbye, Poison. Now it's the time to fly now. Gotta fly. Boy, oh boy, that's a nice looking stage up there. Not summer nights. Speaking of which, I don't know, I feel like I'm getting inside the musical mood. It's gonna be a short musical number. What's this, Uncle Woody? Well, the real Uncle Woody is out there, adventuring. I hope someday we'll see each other tonight. And guess what I do? Perhaps I can lower this stage down. That's better. Okay, I'm gonna sing a short song, and it's gonna be Everybody Thinks I'm Crazy. It starts with a laugh. Guess who? Ha 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 ha. Now this tastes like the good old times. Say, I don't know how long I have been singing, but at least I can sing it out right now. Here we go. Everybody thinks I'm crazy. Yes, sorry, that's me, that's me. That's what I'm cracked up to be. I chopped a hole in every tree. I knock on wood. Yes, I knock on wood. So I'm crazy. So what can I do? So are you. Oh boy. This tastes like another good times, nostalgic times. That Uncle Woody will be proud of me. Oh, my phone's ringing. I don't know who that is. I'm coming. Coming. Sorry, it's a little slow because I got fans and other kinds. So overcrowded stuff in here. Oh, there. Oh. Hello? Oh, Dad. Hi. Hi, Dad. Can you give me a minute because I gotta go pick up my stuff as I pack up. Oh, how I am doing? Oh, I'm just having a good time. Say, I gotta tell you something, Dad. Knott's Berry Farm is a great place, and it's a lot of great rides. The characters, Boysen Bear, Coyote, Pups, Snoopy, and not to mention the Peanut Kids, including Charlie Brown. They're cool. Me, I'm feeling great right now. Thanks, Dad. I'm so glad for you to hear it that you know I was doing just great. Safe and sound. Say, how's Uncle Woody doing? Is he alright? Good. I bet Buzzard will never get him for his fortune and stuff. Riches. After all, Uncle Woody is the most retired famous actor, but he's still into thwarting bad guys, foiling. And right now, I'm gonna keep moving. I'm gonna have some good times being characters, trying some rides, anything I like to try out. Oh, and before I leave the park, I'll bring some good dinner for you, Uncle Woody, Aunt Winnie, Knothead Splinter, and for me too. Yep, I promise you that, Father. I gotta go now. I'll call you back because the viewer's waiting for me right now. At least they hear every word I say. And the fact they'll know that you and your younger brother, Uncle Woody, are doing great. I'll call you back, or matter of fact, I'll see you at home for dinner, or I can bring some dinner for you all. Goodbye, Father. I love you. You hear me talking to my dad? My dad is Willie Woodpecker, while my mom passed away a long time ago when I was a teenager. But still, my mother is up in heaven watching me like an guardian angel, making sure we have a great happiness, and she wants me safe and happy at the same time. And she was the same thing to Uncle Woody and my father, Wilfred. You know what? It makes me think about trying some new things I'm getting curious at. Something like a prop case to pretend I'm a damsel in distress. So we're gonna try out some rides that I love to try out, the train, the locomotive train. Say, would you like to join me? All right, hot dog. Come on. What do you know? A cage prop from a movie.
Wow. Is it shackles?
I don't know what's going on, but I gotta do quick.
What do you do, Bobby?
Okay. Gotta do it carefully. Ouch! My hair! Slowly. Got it. It's better to do it slowly than fast, because fast can make you hurt yourself, but do it slow and steady will make you feel unhurt. Okay. Yep, I look like I'm...
What did you do, darling?
Oh.
Where is she?
What? Who I am?
No, what did you do to land yourself in jail?
Oh no, I just got captured.
Captured?
A bird in the bird cage.
A bird in the... Have you seen our birdcage theater?
Oh yes. Excuse me, sir. There's a camera. Sir? There's a camera. Sorry about that, sir. Sorry about that. I have to raise my voice a bit so I can get people's attention. Sometimes it's okay to raise our voice whenever necessary or urgencies. Anyway, that lady was talking about me. I would say my answer is I wasn't in trouble or doing something illegal. Just a victim bird gets trapped in a bird cage like some a cowboy cat. Or a bandit, maybe a bandit. Or I could say it's a cat bandit that capture and eat birds, and I don't want it to get eaten. Ugh. Okay, Uncle Woody, we gotta find a way out of this bird cage. I don't want to be like the canary gets trapped in a bird cage. I'm gonna be free as a bird. First, I have to do some quick poses.
Alright, darling.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I gotta let you out.
Oh.
I gotta put Mr. Bobby in.
Oh, never mind. I was just about to slip myself out, but thanks.
I'll let you out on good behavior.
Thanks for the save anyway. I don't want to get captured by the cat bandit that capture and eat birds, including me.
You've already done your time. I think you're off the hook.
Thanks. So the cat bandit won't get me, and I don't want to get cooked up like roast chicken.
Certainly. I'll put in a good word for you.
Thanks.
Certainly.
I'll escape from the cat bandit, the bandit cat.
Sounds good. You be careful out there.
You know the one I say, I taught putty tat. I did taught putty tat.
Oh, that's what they say?
Yeah.
I'll have to keep my ears out. If I hear that, I'll let you know.
Okay. Have a good day, ma'am.
You as well. Bobby.
It's Wynonna.
Oh,
Wynonna.
And this is Bobby.
Okay.
Nice to meet you, Wynonna.
You too.
Best of luck out there.
Goodbye now. Come on, let's get out of here, Uncle Woody. Boy, oh boy. Oh, that's a real donkey. I don't know if Uncle Woody meets a donkey before, but this is cool. Huh? Is that a baseball toy? I don't know, donkeys can play with these toys. Let's just like roaming around. Like a bench horse. Oh, hi, horsey. Great to see you there. I bet Uncle Woody meets a real horsey before because my Uncle Woody was a cowboy before a long time ago. And he's good with horses.
So this guy's name is Mike.
Mike, good name. Hi, let's ready for the selfie. This is for my Uncle Woody and my family to see. Good pose, horsey. Thanks. Oh, you too. And look at these cute sheep. Aren't they cute? Too bad there's no wolf in the sheep's clothing. Get it? Wolf's wearing the sheep's clothing. Just to fool the sheep. But those sheep can't be very smart. Hi there. Are you doing good, little sheeps? I think they look relaxing like they are just fine. Oh, I bet I could get a good selfie. I hope those sheeps don't mind if I get a selfie with them.
The first set is not working the full 6 hours. And then,
yeah, I think this is a good selfie. I bet I have to go to a little. Let's see. Yep, and also more baby sheep or a young sheep. I can't tell if they're sheep or lamb because they look pretty similar, if you ask me. Let's see if we go on the train ride. Train rides can be very nice, like how Uncle Woody went through in the past. This train is sure is relaxing, Uncle Woody. I think you used to go on the train before, back in the episode of a new Woody Woodpecker show. You used to be on Wally War's train, right? Well, I remember that strongly, which is before Wally Wars chased you around in the train. But you're right, Uncle Woody. This train is a nice ride after all. So someday you, our family, and I will go on the train ride together. What's this? A bandit? Okay, let's get ready for that bandit. A cowboy bandit. Here we go.
Alright, everybody! Hey, heads up, I'm about to be real loud. Hands up here, everyone! This is the train robber. Hands up, y'all. Alright, now I gotta say
Should we leave it at home? Is that what happened? If so, we close at 11. If you want to go get it, I'll wait for you. Okay, good talk. I'll see you guys later. Am I being put on a wanted poster? Is that what's going on? Well, you know, it's better to be wanted than unwanted. Better to be an outlaw than an in-law. Yeah.
Funny. Bandits are usually after goats and treasures. Not like rare creatures. Well, despite I cost like $1 million to be sold to the Science Institute. But in the Wild West timeline, there's no such thing as Science Institute unless it becomes modern in the 19th century. Hi, you must be the real Charlie Brown. I'm Wynonna Woodpecker, and that's my uncle, Woody Woodpecker. You're the fan of him? That's great. I can wait to tell my Uncle Woody and my dad about this. During my dinner party with my woodpecker families. We're so happy to see you and meet you too. Oh, my laugh. Let's ready for the post now. Thank you, Charlie Brown, and the hug. Handshake? Oh, double handshakes. And the goodbye hug. Goodbye, Charlie Brown. Have a great day.
Thank you so much. Have a good rest of your day. We have one.
I can see the waterfall in there. See that? All you see is a cave, and the other one you see is a waterfall. Now this is nice here in the woods. I think Camp Snoopy's gonna be mine and Uncle Woody's favorite because of woods. A woods where Uncle Woody used to live. Go ahead. Sorry, I'm just letting the past go through. You know, like, where are my manners? All I see is people go all the way there and then to there. That's the path I see. And the two bricks go into that door, the cave. That's where the path goes. So it makes me see where the other guests were going. Anyway, if I think about the woods where Uncle Woody used to live, his name is not just named after Woody from Toy Story. It's named like the wooden tree, as in Woody, because he pecks wood. Even though Woody Woodpecker got like Toy Story Woody's first name, and Buzz Buzzard's got like Buzz Lightyear's first name, which is a naming coincidence, but at least they got different last names. But the names might have different meaning. Well, I may not know what's the Buzz name meaning for Buzz Lightyear. I may not know what does it mean for the Lightyear. But I know Buzzard, because he's the buzzard that goes. But call him Buzz, short for Buzzard. I think I get it. And Woody, as in Woodsy Woody, Woodsy. But Woodsy, that sounds like a weird name for him, so Woody it is for him. Woody is a good name for him, even though he did have the same first name as Woody the cowboy. The Woody's Roundup. Which, oh well. Anyway, if you're asking what's in the bag, that's Alfredo fettuccine. That's the dinner I was talking about. I'm going to take this dinner home to my Uncle Woody, my dad, Aunt Winnie, Knothead and Splitter, and also myself too, so we can all share together. So I'm taking it to a family's dinner party where we can sit down, eat, relax, and talk to each other, and get together as a family of woodpeckers. Even though I'm a human-headed woodpecker, but my woodpeckers love me for who I am. Not as an outer freak on the outside, so I'm not a freak anymore. I'm an equal. I'm more of an equal person. I may look like a harpy on the outside, but I'm human on the inside. Uh-oh. Looks like there's incoming people. And let's have a seat. There you go. I can have a seat. Whoa. The Rockies is a little slippery seat. Let me sit right here. There. Now we can talk about the favorite part. Excuse me, since my tripod is not just a tripod, it's a combination of selfie sticks, so I can stand it a little bit more. You can see I'm sitting down on a rock. Sorry. At least you can see. See? It's a good thing I found myself a rock seat, like a rocky fence. And I've got to hurry up right now because the axe is coming to pick me up to take me home to the woods. Apparently my own house. And this is where I'm going to invite Uncle Woody, my dad, Aunt Winnie, Knothead and Splitter over. My whole woodpecker family. So we can have a dinner party. That was it. Let's talk about the favorite part. What was your favorite part to say today? I love it too. My favorite part is meeting Snoopy, the Peanut Kids, Boyson, and the Coyote pups are the best thing that ever happened to me that I get to interact and make new friends with. And I don't feel so lonely. And another fact, I'm starting to feel a lot more accepted and welcomed by them. They don't see me as some freaky monster or a dangerous harpy. They see me as an equal human on the inside, even though I'm not human on the outside, but human-headed, but human on the inside. My heart is more human. My heart has remained human from my mother's human heart. While I have powers of a woodpecker. However, I don't have a beak, so I may not be able to peck, but I can bite out of self-defense. Like, if someone grabbed me, I will bite like this. Ow! See? My teeth is stronger as a beak, but it doesn't chew on trees. Because that wooden trees are too strong for my teeth. Only on people that grab me. Like Buzz Buzzard, for example. So I'm no damsel in distress. I'm a tough woodpecker, as my dad and my uncle alike. Especially as a need to fight against mine. I'm just fixing my hair because I noticed it's a little bit up. And I think that's all the favorite part I talk about. All I feel matters is I feel welcome and accepted instead of being rejected as a freak. A human-headed birdie freak I am. But I don't feel like a freak anymore. I feel like a welcome equal individual. And that's it for now. And before I go, don't forget to click like, which is a thumbs up under my video. Subscribe me on my YouTube channel. Go to my About Bio page on my channel where you see social media links alike. So follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Patreon, and DeviantArt. And thank you all for watching. I hope you have a good day. I could have had fun without you. Thanks for coming. Goodbye.
And remember, everyone, the happiness never ends. Have a good time. Goodbye.